where it says blog information. And it'll have your blog title. It'll have the link that you can give to people to give to link to your blog, or you can post this link and this link goes to your blog. Management page. Management page just shows you the link that will be your admin panel, the behind the scenes, so to speak. This is where you will help pick the layout of your blog, where you'll enter posts, and where you update your blog daily. Your content type. This is where you let people know whether or not you have a all age friendly blog, or if you have a mature only blog that is not recommended for children. So let's go ahead and click management page to show you how to set up your blog. Okay, I'm already signed in. When you first click that link, it'll bring up a page that'll ask you to sign in your username and your password. It's just a double verification so you can get into your blog so somebody else doesn't go in there. Okay, here, this would be where the name of your blog is. Of course, it wouldn't be funny stuff. That's the name of my blog. Okay, let's see what we want to do first. Let's first go with designing the layout of your blog. Click design. Now this here will give you many options of how you can have a layout for your blog. There's numerous pages. There's 6 pages at least. I'm not sure if there was more. Let's see. No, okay. There's 6 pages. 6 pages of different layouts that you can click to change the look of your blog. So I'm going to go ahead and click one to show you how that works. Let's do this one. Anubis. And it'll take a few minutes. Okay. And on my screen it only will show me half, so let's activate it so we can see the whole thing. Let's visit site. Okay, now this is how my blog will look with this particular theme. No, it's not really me. So let's go back. If I can remember which one I used. This one. Site. Yes, this is how I had it. And I've chose this layout. Of course, these are custom headers that I've made and put in my blog. Alright, let's go back to dashboard. Okay, so you can play around and go through, I can't remember now, I want to say there was like 72 somewhere in there. There's many different options of layouts and themes. You can also customize the layout that you pick, but that's beyond what this tutorial is for. Okay, so now once you pick your theme, you can select widgets. Now what this does here is, let's see if I can bring up my blog so I can show you of how to use widgets. See how I have the calendar here? Well, as you can see, calendar is an option for a widget. Now my theme only has one sidebar, which is over here. This all the way down through. This is the sidebar. Some themes have 2. Some themes have a sidebar here and a sidebar over here. It'd be sidebar 1, sidebar 2. So in my sidebar I have calendar, meta, however you pronounce it, tags, and recent comments. Recent comments, tags, search, meta, however you pronounce it, calendar, and RSS. There are others that you can also put in yours, but I chose not to. But the options are calendar, archives, links, meta, whichever, search, recent posts, tag cloud, categories, text, and RSS feeds, and recent comments. What text is if you add text, so let's save changes, edit it. Now in here you can put an HTML, you can put whatever. You can put an ad back to your website if you have one. You can advertise, you can sell an advertisement spot for somebody, and then put their link in their picture of a small banner in here to advertise that person's auction site, website, eBay store, etc. The possibilities are endless on that. So I'm going to remove it because I don't have it on mine. That's how you use that. And then once you put in the HTML code, you'd want to make sure you click Save Change. Custom image header. That is that depends on which theme you use, and then you just click that and you'd follow that instructions. My theme has that option. That's why I have that option on my dashboard, and so I uploaded this one. As you can see, it automatically separated it, which I didn't realize it was going to do, but oh well. And then if you don't like how it looks, you could always click Restore Original. Okay, so now we're back to the dashboard. We come over here and we click Settings. This is where the fun stuff is. This is where you actually set up your blog to make sure that search engines can find it more easily. So you click Settings, click General, you write in the name of your blog, your tagline, which is, in a few words, explain what the blog's about. Example is I put just a place to see funny pictures and read funny stories, and it shows up right here underneath the title. Like I said, each theme's a little differently, so the title might be big and bold over here in this area, and then the tagline might be underneath it. You'll notice it as you play along. That's really immaterial. So then you fill in your email address. If you want users must be registered and logged in to comment, you click this checkbox. That way you don't have spammers just randomly coming through. They'll have to sign up and get in to put a response on your blog. So you can kind of keep track of who it is, and you'll be able to know whether or not to allow that comment. You put the time zone, your date format, your time format, and pick what you consider the week starts on. Some people think it starts on Sunday or Monday. I mean, that's your personal reference. And then you click Save Changes. So that's your general settings.